G'day! In today's video I'm looking at a MacBook Pro A1502 right here, and the issue that I've got is the speakers on there had failed, the original pair, and I've got these aftermarket ones, except they both arrived pushed in. What do I mean by pushed in? If you look at this one on the right angle, you can see that it domes inwards, and the audio quality was absolutely terrible. I didn't have to send these back to replace them, just time was an issue. I'm going to demonstrate with this one what I just did on this one. So this one here, if you look at it on a funny angle, I've got a pair of really tiny tweezers, and I'm going to use some soft glue. So this is domed outwards. What I did was put a dab of glue in the center, stuck it upside down on my blue heat pad here and let it dry, and once it dried, if you have no way of heating it up, just leave it for the day. But I'm going to put a dab of glue on here, flip it upside down, heat it up on here, and from there, once it's cured, or at least become fairly tacky and sticky, I should be able to use my tweezers to pop it from an innie to an outie. As I say that, I'm struggling to find my glue. Right, there's my glue. I use B7000 frame adhesive to glue most things. This stuff is going to be included apparently. So I'll put a dab of glue in the center there. Smear it around a little bit. There we go. So I haven't put a huge amount on there. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this upside down on my heat pad at 60 degrees Celsius. And I'll let you know how long it's going to take, but I'm just going to let that cook. And then after, hopefully, 3 seconds video time, probably hopefully about 15-20 minutes real world time, I'll be able to pull that open and turn it to an outie. So it's now been about, bam. That just literally just popped it straight back out. Brilliant. And now this particular glue should be able to come off. So that's probably only been about 15 minutes on this heat pad heating up to get to a semi-tacky state. This is frame adhesive, so it is a softer glue, as opposed to if you use something like super glue, that will not work. Super glue will just destroy it. There, bam. Popped back out. Now I'm going to install it from here.